दो मस्ताने चले जिंदगी बनाने, बंदे सयाने और नाम के
होता क्या है, जब तुम दिल्ली मेट्रो में अपनी मॉम के साथ एंटर करते हो, तो योर मॉम मेक्स इट एन एजेंडा टू गेट यू अ सीट एज वेल.
She doesn't understand that you are used to the beard, you are used to smelling other person's armpits. You're used to it. She gets a seat because she's old and fat. So she makes it a personal agenda. है ना कि to get a seat.
ऐसे में क्या होता है, your mom becomes the chart of the coach.
मेरे को अपनी तो मिल गई, अब अपने परिवार वालों की सिक्योर करना.
हमारी दिल्ली मेट्रो बड़ी सही चीज है. क्या होता है ना दिल्ली मेट्रो में, जब एक when a girl walks into a Delhi metro, she's looking for space.
But when a guy walks into the Delhi metro, he is looking for girls. Because एक general compartment है, that's not the ladies compartment. Alright, so like and also we are general, so हमें पता है बचपन से हम लोग फेस करते हैं कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा.
होता क्या है, तुमने एंटर किया मेट्रो में, there's a lot of commotion going on over there. तुम देख रहे हो, there's this weird ass guy जिसने कानों में earphones लगाए हुए हैं, he's making all those expressions.
Nah. And there's this uncle who's pushing you and shoving you in the back, like right here. He'll come behind you and बेटा आगे बढ़ो. Uncle आगे वाले को तो जाने दो.
He knows your pressure points.
Uncle आप मुझे थप्पड़ मार दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, यहाँ फोन मत करना.
Or there's another guy, he's sleeping and he's drooling in his sleep as well. I don't know what he's dreaming about. Maybe you beautiful girls over there, all of you pretty girls over there.
All of you pretty girls. Just for the record. And there's this couple that walks in.
Yeah, like this guy, he's trying to protect the girl like this. Yeah. That's more like ISIS trying to protect its false notion of a religion. Yeah, because he's a friend zone guy.
So if you get what we mean, think about it. Just repeat the joke. So ऐसे में क्या होता है, a guy walks into the Delhi metro, the general compartment, and वो देख रहा है, उसको सीट चाहिए. थक गया है, दिन भर ऑफिस से आया, कॉलेज से आया. He's looking for a seat, and he sees the seat, a vacant seat.
At which moment he goes like la 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 la.
But at the same point, he also sees a beautiful girl.
चांद सितारे हम उसके दीवाने.
So now he's in a moral dilemma. Alright, he's like, I don't know, the seat, the girl, the seat, the girl.
At which point he realizes that vacant seat is kind of like Kashmir. There are people fighting for it.
6 कोचेस की ट्रेन है, लड़की कितना आगे तक जाएगी?
Before he sits down, he knows that there's a competition for that seat. There's this another guy who's also going to go for that particular seat. तो इसमें ये 3 सेकंड का फ्रेम होता है इस कंपटीशन को.
2 सेकंड.
इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही होती हैं.
The guy, he sees the seat, he sees the competitor, and he's like, the case of mind. Bro, I'm wearing Adidas sports shoes. I'm going to run like the Flash to that seat and grab it.
Bro, I have a handkerchief.